Alright, this is a Huskee from 2013. It's an LT 4200. It's got a 420cc motor. Runs good, doesn't smoke. Pretty clean. As far as I know, it's garage kept, or at least put in a shed of some sort. Oil's good. It was apparently serviced last fall. I put a new fuel filter in. That's pretty much the only thing I had to do. There was some deck work to get adjustments and stuff figured out. But other than that, it's a pretty decent little mower. Baggers are decent. They don't have any rips. 42-inch deck. It's got the shift on the go system, so you put it in forward, and that foot pedal controls how fast you go. Tires hold air. As far as I know, the lights work. Trying to think. Yeah, really not a whole lot to it. Pretty simple mower. Didn't change much throughout the years. I mean, this is basically the same system they had in the early 2000s and the 90s, and shift on the go and all the other types of deck assemblies and whatnot really haven't changed in the last 30 years or so. It's just kind of morphed, mostly with hood cowlings and different motors, basically. Start it up here. A little cold after that bath. There you go. Nice and strong. Let's see, I didn't see a light switch for the lights. I don't know if they're on. Oh yeah, they're working. If you have any questions, tell them in the comments. Otherwise, have a good one.